Oh shit, I gotta go to work. Damn it, if I don't know how to work. Let's see what's on TV. Oh, cool.
Pizza Hut. Are you lonely?
Yeah, I know.
Do you need a job?
Yeah!
Do you need money?
Yeah!
Are you gay?
Yes! No.
Then come on down to Pizza Hut. We have new job offers every day.
Yeah! Yeah! I'm gonna get ya! Yeah! I'll see you at Pizza Hut.
My first question is, why do you want the job?
I have no life.
That doesn't qualify you to make pizzas.
Next question?
Okay. What's your favorite food?
Chinese.
Do you like pizza?
Nah.
Let's go on to the next question. All right, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm 14, and I never got a date. No girl asked me out, and I'm just a big loser. A loser.
That's perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do this. You got yourself a man. Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, we'll review your application and see if you got in. All right, see you in 2 days.
Yeah. My milkshake for all girls. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you know you like me. Yeah.
All right, we reviewed your application.
Yes.
And you got the job. That wasn't necessary.
I'm sorry.
Well, you'll start work tomorrow. See you then.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
What would you like, sir?
Pizza?
Okay. So.
Alright.
How do I get it?
I don't know. You're the dang cashier. Give me my pizza.
What's a pizza?
You know what? I'm gonna go to Domino's.
No, not the Domino's. Not the Domino's. Where's I go?
Oh. Alex?
Yes?
You've been doing great with your work.
Oh, thank you, sir. I've been trying my best.
But you have horrible social skills. Alex, you're fired.